Welcome back. We are going to DIY Kitchens, which is in the north of England, and the car's been charging, travelling there from Warwickshire. Car's been charging on the granny charger, so we're up to about 80% now. When you're charging on the granny charger, you can see the rate there. You get about 8 to 10 miles per hour on the 3-pin plug. Because we're moving house fairly soon, we don't have a charger. We don't have a home charger at the house. So in terms of the navigation, we are going to just tap it in. So 110 miles, South Kirkby. I'm arrived there with 30%, so that's good. And we'll charge somewhere on the way back. It'll tell us where to go. We'll carry on charging anyway. So we made it, no problems at all. The motorway said we'd arrive with 40%, and it has arrived. We have arrived with 40%, which is good. So going to have a look around the kitchens now, the showroom here, see what's going on. Actually, there's another Tesla over there. supercharging here at, not quite sure where we are, Tankersley Manor, 22%, so we need to stay here for 35 minutes. 35 minutes. Time remaining to, and it's nice and snowing outside, so we're here. back, -5 degrees in snow. It's still snowing here, as you can see. So the autopilot gets disabled, can't see, and so does the cruise control. We stopped at Barnsley supercharger and we spent £9.18, That was for 27 kilowatts at 34p per kilowatt hour. That's £9.18, and that got us back nicely to home. Got 22% left, and energy is pretty good, so we did okay. There's the graph there, you can see, and we did, since last charge, you can see there, 102 miles, 263, so it's good. Yeah, so bit of a interesting one. It was left in sunshine and drove through snow and sleet and rain. 0 degrees here at the moment, but the Tesla did fine, no problems at all. Just be aware that cruise control doesn't work, and autopilot obviously doesn't work. So that's it for now. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.